today I tell about politicals. The health minister of the government of Morarji Desai was Raj Narayan. The first leader of Palestine Liberation Organization was Ahmad Shukairy. The founder of Lagu of Nation was Woodrow Wilson. The first Negro ambassador of UNO was Andrew Jackson Young. The chief minister of Akbar was Abdul Fazl. The first king of Rome was Augustus Caesar. Karl Marx belongs to Germany. The first law minister of independent India was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ghadar Party is USA was formed by Lala Hardayal. Hindustan Republic Association was formed in the year 1924. London Tower was built by the King William. The government of British rule over India was Plassey War. World's first civil service exam was accorded in China. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கூட இருக்க பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you, bye bye.